Old traditions and cultures are still alive in today's modern India. Age old traditions and customs have a significant role to play in many Indian homes even today. We still follow those old traditions and rituals observed by elderly people in our family. Eating curd and sugar before leaving home for work or some important task is still a ritual and tradition in our homes. It is said that it brings luck and work is completed without any hindrance. When we move out of home for some important work, we need both mental and physical energy. Science says that a combination of curd and sugar supplies glucose to the body, which works to release energy. Curd is a food that has many nutrients contained in it. It is rich in protein, riboflavin, calcium, vitamin B6 and B12. It is a superfood that keeps the mind and body cool and dehydrated. While the origins of this tradition have no particular time or story, as per legends, in the olden days, where in rural areas of India, the distance between villages was vast and the transportation system back then was quite underdeveloped. People preferred to eat something sweet before leaving the house. Due to curd and sugar's ability to provide energy, it was considered valuable. This theory eventually evolved and spread through auspicious occasions and important life events. When was the last time you had dahi chini before an important event? Let us know in the comment. Thank you.